Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make custard dessert, only ways. Start by warming 2 cups of milk gently while whisking 3 large eggs with 1/2 cup sugar until smooth. Temper the eggs by adding a little warm milk, then return mixture to the pan to thicken slowly over low heat. Stir constantly until it coats the back of a spoon, then strain and chill before serving. Gather the ingredients and simple tools before you start to save time and avoid mistakes. You will need 2 cups milk, 3 eggs, 1/2 cup sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Use a whisk, a heavy saucepan, a heat-proof bowl, and a fine mesh strainer. Measuring accurately and keeping heat low will help you achieve a smooth, creamy texture without curdling or lumps. Chill the custard for at least 2 hours to set properly and develop flavor before serving. Control the temperature to prevent scrambling and to get a silky custard. Keep heat low and stir constantly while thickening, scraping the bottom. Use a thermometer if desired and remove from heat when mixture reaches about 175 degrees F to 180 degrees F. For richer results, substitute half the milk with cream or add an extra yolk. Cool quickly by transferring to a shallow container and cover to prevent a skin from forming immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.